Hi guys, this is Dee. I decided to try the microwave method today since I didn't have the industrial strength blender. Sorry I couldn't bring you along with the process, but it was really quick. What happened initially was that I had a bubble over. I didn't estimate how quickly it would bubble or how high it would go. In the little, I don't want to make a mess here. I was using this one. It's 4 cups, and I only did a pound recipe, but apparently it wasn't big enough. And once everything started heating up, I stepped away for a minute to start mixing one of my colors, and I'm glad I stepped back when I did, because it was already coming out of the pot. But now that I tried this method and I see how quick, especially for making my smaller soaps, I see how quick it comes together and cooks with the microwave. Oh goodness, I'm probably going to be doing that instead of the crock pot. So I'm mixing up this is a vanilla lavender, and I'm going to try to get this stirred up and plopped in the pot. But see how fluid it is. And by the way guys, I did test it with the P drops, whatever it's called. I tested it 3 times because I wanted to make sure of the pH and make sure there was no active lye in it. And like I say, mine cooked up really quick. I'm happy with the results. This is a new recipe, which I change my recipes quite frequently, which I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing, but I do. So, I think it's more trouble getting this color mixed in than it was to get the soap mixed up and made. But I'm almost there, and as you can see how fluid it is. Oh, I can't wait to get me one of those industrial blenders, but for now this is all I have. Hold on, let me run back and get another color. I'm always last minute running back and forth. Hope y'all can hear me, but I'm never ready. I'm never ready when it comes to making a video. And I always have to get off camera, run back and forth. But that's what I do. That may not be as yellow as I like. In fact, I thought it was lavender apple. But once I looked at it again, I said, oh, that's vanilla lavender. So, here's my little mold. I'm going in with my purple, lavender, purple, whatever color it is. Oh, I'm just so excited with this, guys. And I'm thankful I had this big one hidden back in the cupboard. you're going to come loose. Sorry. I have been busy all day working in the yard, trying to get some order in my kitchen because every space that is flat is probably covered with something. So thankfully I'm off again tomorrow, and I'll start trying to finish up on what I started today. But I'm gonna do a little swirl in this, and tomorrow I will show you guys the cut. Thank goodness, as soapers, we don't mind trying new things. Because I saw this video once before, and since I've seen the extreme hot processors make soap now, I said, oh, I've got to try something. Ow, that was hot. Be careful, guys, when you're handling that, because that glass does get hot. So, oh, did I mention? Yeah, I think I did. I had a boil over, so this is not as full as it would have been. I lost some of the batter, but it's still going to work. And I'm going to mix up my colors. Darn, I wish this would have been full. Wish I wouldn't have lost it. That's all I can say. But I did, so now I know what not to do. If it's smaller, if it's a pound or more, I have to use the larger one. Now probably a half a pound could have worked in that mold. But, and this is it, guys. I'll show you the cut tomorrow. Thank you. I'm going to put a few sprinkles, some sugar sprinkles and something on top of it, and I'll show you the cut tomorrow. Thanks.